Hello, welcome back to NCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. So here the question is given: if A, B, C are the roots of x cube minus 7x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, then find the value of 1 by cubed root of A plus 1 by cubed root of B plus 1 by cubed root of C is equal to how much? So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here this type of problems you cannot find in any other channel. So here how to solve this problem. First of all, this is a cubic equation. So A, B, C are the roots given. First you will find the values of A plus B plus C, A B B C C A, and product of the roots A B C. And by using that we are going to solve this problem. So first of all, given cubic equation x cube minus 7x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Sum of the roots A, B, C are the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to minus B by A 7. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Product of the roots taken 2 at a time. So here you'll get 4. Next product of the roots A, B, C will be equal to minus 1. So this is the basic we are should know this while doing this problem. Now what is required here? 1 by cube root of A plus 1 by cube root of B plus 1 by cube root of C you have to find. Now if I take LCM here, I will get cube root of A, B, C. Now here you will get in the numerator cube root of BC plus cube root of AC plus cube root of AB. So if you take the LCM here, you are getting this. So already you know the value of ABC. So here we will substitute the value of ABC here. Cube root of minus 1 cube root of BC plus cube root of AC plus cube root of AB. Let us take this value is equal to K. K is equal to minus cube root of BC minus cube root of AC minus cube root of AB. So here you have to find the value of K. Now cubing on both sides, K cube is equal to, so here A cube means here you'll get minus AB minus BC minus CA 3 cube root of ABC whole square plus 3k into cube root of A square BC plus cube root of AB square C plus cube root of ABC square. Now substituting the value, k cube is equal to here this value is minus 4 plus 3. Here you'll get minus 1 so you can get only 3 plus 3k into cube root of minus a plus cube root of minus b plus cube root of minus c. So here a plus abc is minus 1. If you substitute there, you will get minus a minus b minus c. So here k cube, this value is minus 1. So k cube is equal to minus 1 plus 3k into cube root of a. So here you will take minus common. Minus common cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c. Let us take cube root of a plus cube root of b plus cube root of c is equal to, let us take it as L. Now what will get here now? K cube is equal to minus 1 minus 3lk. So here L value is equal to minus k cube minus 1 plus 1 by 3k. That implies 3lk is equal to k cube plus 1. Now k cube is equal to, so here you can take L cube. L cube is equal to a plus b plus c minus 3 cube root of abc plus 3l into cube root of ab cube root of bc cube root of c. So L cube is equal to, this value is 7 minus 3 cube root of minus 1 plus 3l into, this value is minus k. So L cube is equal to L cube is equal to here 10 minus 3lk. So here L cube is equal to k cube plus 1 by 3k whole cube is equal to 10 plus k cube plus 1. Here you get 3lk equal to k cube plus 1. K cube plus 1 whole cube plus 27 k cube into k cube plus 1 plus 11 equal to 0. So here you'll get k cube, k cube plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1 is equal to plus 27 k to the power of 9 now. Here 3k power 6, 3k cube plus 27k power 6 plus 297 k cube equal to 0. So if you do some adjustment, k power 9 plus 30 k power 6 plus 300 k cube plus 1000 minus 999 equal to 0. So here 1 is there, that's why we are subtracting 999. So here we'll get k cube plus 10 whole cube minus 999 equal to 0. So k cube plus 10 whole cube is equal to cube root of 999. So k cube is plus 10 is equal to here you'll get 3 cube root of 37. So k cube is equal to 3 cube root of 37 minus 10 now. K is equal to cube root of 3 cube root of 37 minus 10 we are getting. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCZ Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCZ Max Olympiad.